Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I am Hussain Ezzi, a recent graduate from Al Jamiatul Safia, a software engineer and an AI enthusiast. Today, I am excited to share with you that I am embarking on a journey to learn the modern Python. The modern Python, which is going to be the backbone of AI in the future and in the present too. So, are you with me on this journey? Let us go. So why we need to learn modern Python? First of all, Python is simple. Python is targeted to be readable and to be learned in very short amount of time. Moreover, Python has a huge ecosystem. What is ecosystem? More members of the community, millions of members are contributing daily in the language of Python. They are making libraries. They are making the life of other developers simple and facilitative. So what they develop for you, you can use it in your apps too. And you don't need to invent the wheel again and again. That's why we use Python. And the most significant factor for learning Python is that it is going to be the backbone of AI in the future. And it has been already for now. So let us learn Python. What will be our journey? We will first of all learn the basics of modern Python. We will learn how the data structures of Python work, what are some basic functions that are indispensable for a learner to have in their pockets. Secondly, we will then step up to the data analysis and data visualization tools. The most significant libraries in this field are Pandas and NumPy. Don't worry from these names, you will be masters of them in this journey if we will strive as we are expected to do. And after we are done with the data tools, we will embark on the journey of learning AI agents. There have been a recent development of AI agent libraries in the last 3 years. The life of developers is getting easier and easier. And in the future, Python will be indispensable in automating the tasks, the redundant tasks, which are pervasive in this era. In the future, they will vanish. Why? Because you and I are going to learn Python. So, what will be this course? It will be a 19-class comprehensive course with hands-on project and exercises. And hopefully, we will all be, if we practice the hands-on project with due diligence, inshallah, hopefully we will be ready for doing our own startups and developing our own apps. So, to end, what will we get in this journey? We will get to learn Python programming. We will get to learn how to analyze the data. We will then head on towards developing AI agents that will be automating the world in the future era. And we will have these with practical knowledge, nothing only on the base of theory. We will have everything by our fingers. We will root all the knowledge in our muscle memory. So thank you for being with me. Let's start the Python course today. Start our journey and unleash our potentials for the future. Thank you very much.